Sangeeta's Kreations. Now we are going to introduce ourselves. I'm Ronachani.
I'm Anishasiti. I'm Nilasani.
I'm Arasiti. And we both are twins. Today we are going to do Miss Letters Challenge. So first we'll have to be giving 10 words. The one who has most of the words correct wins this challenge. And there are two teams, red and blue.
Make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so when we upload a video and you're the first one to know. Make sure to give a big thumbs up. Make sure you watch the entire video. So now we have a sheet of paper and under 1 minute we must complete some of the words. Whoever has the most of the words gets a point and wins the challenge. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah! So let's get started!
1, 2, 3. Yeah, time up.
Still we won, I got 3.
How many?
3!
And you, blue? Okay.
We won! So guys, we misspelled a word and so we got 2 points and it's a tie because they also got 2 points. And it's actually pretty hard but it was as fun as always. So see you in the next video.
So this was our first challenge and we had lots of fun. Before that, remember to hit the red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up.
See you later.
See you soon.
Peace out. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Make sure to like, to do a big
Everyone, loudly.